Rotisserie Chicken Salad. It's got a beautiful bowl of greens here. You can use a spring mix, a mesclun green. We've got a bit of romaine and some arugula. I'm going to dress those greens lightly with a bit of balsamic vinegar. Just give them a small little toss and let them sit for a bit while we assemble the rest. We will throw in a touch of goat cheese and some nice fresh berries. Get them dressed really well in the balsamic as well. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to combine a bit of low-fat Greek yogurt, some chopped rotisserie chicken, and a touch of red onion. Season that to taste with a bit of salt and black pepper. Make a nice little chicken salad out of this. Once well coated, this is going to go right back in the bowl with the greens, the berries, and the dressing, and stir to combine. Really gentle, making sure to not braise our greens.